Do I never see something like this in my life?
Look at the history. Look at the history. Como se siente? Unicorn. There's a bunch of...
Wait, what happens when you search up Lacy? What's the first thing that pops up?
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. I might have to buy this.
Lacy and McKinley. Nice.
Don't click that, bro.
Jack Doherty. Whoa.
My girlfriend bought me a boat for my 21st birthday.
No way we...
Why was that the thumbnail? Oh, really? Okay, really? This is what you're doing? Okay.
Hold on now. Hold on now. Almost there.
Not a now, though. We're good. We're safe. Why are we doing this, bro?
What is the song called?
You're seeing now there's too much time in between shots. It's just, it's not going to work as good.